Beauties, welcome back to What Karen Loves. So today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial. I thought that'd be something fun we could do because as you can see the lighting is not the best because currently we're underneath a really crazy storm. So it's really dark and gray and rainy outside right now. So I figured it'd be something fun we could do on a rainy day and we had nowhere to go. And I thought, why not do like a fun like makeup transportation, you know, like a before and after of like makeup, you know. So let's get started. This is obviously my before. So we're gonna do everything today, including foundation, which is crazy. Usually here lately I had been doing that, but today I really want to, so we're going to do that. Okay, all right. So first and foremost, we're going to wipe this bad boy off. It's got stuff all over it. So yeah, and of course. What happens when your bag is open? Somehow it got opened. So it's okay. I got plenty of stuff up there, so. Right. Okay. Okay. This table. Those. Okay. All right. So we're gonna get started with my favorite foundation right here, which is this guy. It's a Natural Avery 20. Right here. I need to get some more, but we make it work. We make it work. So I just wanted to do something fun, something I haven't done in a while. It's been a minute since I've done like a full makeup tutorial here lately because my skin has been giving me issues. Every time I get sick or any allergies, my skin will go crazy, which it has been, as you can see. So I'll just do a lot of skincare. Take. Okay. Like I said, I'm hoping that the lighting is not too bad. Apologize if it is. But I'm just working with it today. I figured I'll try my best to make it work. It's not too bad, but you know, it could be better. You know what I mean? It could be better. Like I said, the lighting is not the best today, but you gotta love stormy days. That's for sure. Make sure my hair doesn't get in my way because I'm not trying to get it in my hair. I need a haircut, that's for sure. It's hard to like do these type of things when my hair just wants to get in my way. But you know. My makeup things ran out today too, which makes everything so much great. Of course it would. Like I'm trying to do my best to get it all in my face, but like I can't see because it's dark in here. Just if it looks dark in here, it is. And it's really rainy and windy out there right now. So the sound is kind of weird. That's why. I haven't done like a full look in a while. It's been a minute since I've like done like full face makeup. I'm gonna use some foundation and everything. Okay. And of course I want to do it on a day where I'm out of makeup wipes. And yeah. So it's okay though. I got some of this stuff here so I can use it. Okay. Alright. So next we're going to set this bad boy. I still haven't got more of this. This is my setting powder, as you guys can see. It's almost out. But it's okay. I'll make it work. It's like I always forget about it. I forget that I'm out of stuff. I forget to get it every time. I'm like, well, I don't need to get it. But then I'm like, oh well, I'm running out. But I should get it. As you see, I have dry spots on my face today. So see that's my skin is just like I said. Every time I get sick or anything, oh, excuse me, skin always gets dry. All right, so next step we're going to do, which usually I'll do this before I put my stuff on, but today we're going to do this haul. Make sure this is still recording. Now it is. Okay. Alright. Now we're going to do some makeup. I'm not sure which one I want to go with yet. Okay. I don't know what that was, but okay. Alright. I think I'm going to do this guy. My brushes, you guys. It's a miracle. I found my shampoo for my brushes and I'm like, yes, finally. I can clean my brushes. It's about time. Alright. I think Sway is my favorite color right now in this palette. As you guys can see, it's already like to the pan. It's like my favorite color in this palette. I love using it. I can hear that wind in the background. It's the new soundtrack for the day, I guess. Told myself I wanted to make it work, so I know it's storming and the light is not the best today, but like I said, we're gonna make it work. I think I might do a mascara today too. I haven't done that in a while. I'm not going anywhere today because it's not safe to drive in Virginia because all the rain and floods and warnings that we got going on right now in our city. So we're staying inside today. So, you know. Okay. It's not the best option, but a lot of stuff, so make it work. Make it work. And then I'll go back in with my finger and really get the rest of it covered. I might have, you know, left. Okay. I think I got it all. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna go in with, what color do I want to go in with? Let's see, make sure it's still recording, because I don't know how this thing is. So it looks like so far it's not the best, because it's that amount of makeup wipes today, so I'm just using my makeup remover liquid. Usually I don't use that, but comes in handy when you're all out of the stuff that you usually use. Looks like so far. If you guys can see it, but you know, if you can't, I'm sorry. Alright, now we're gonna go in with Inspiration, because that's my favorite color as well. In this palette. I like Moonlit too, it's cute. It is calming down out there. Jeez. We're hoping we don't get hit with a hurricane, but right now we're like underneath all kinds of like crazy warnings right now. So, alright. Now we're gonna go in with this handy dandy. Make sure it doesn't look crazy, because you guys know that it's not the best, but the mirror comes in handy again. Alright, blush. Which is this guy. This is my favorite one. Just this color. Hopefully I can do this justice, because you can't really see the best right now. It's not too bad in here, but like could use some more light from outside. You know? Okay. I'm gonna call it. I think it looks good. Can't really tell, like I said. Yeah, that looks good. I don't want to put too much on. Alright, now we're going to do some mascara. If I can find it in here. It's hiding somewhere. There it is. I gotta make sure this is still recording. Sorry. I'm going to have it. Oh, and this is the mascara I use. Better Than Sex. I'm still trying to get better at this, so if I'm doing it wrong, I'm sorry. Alright. And then I'm going to go in with some highlights from this guy right here. Make sure this is still recording. I don't want to be talking to myself. Alright, what I'm going to use, because I'm feeling extra, we're going to do Unicorn. My hair's in the way, so I can't exactly. Alright. A quick, easy makeup look when you have this camera issues going on. I think I did a pretty good job. This is the after. I love the Unicorn. Like, it's so shiny. I'm trying to get extra close to you guys. I think it looks really good. I think it turned out really good. I finally did a full look, you guys, and I love it. I think it turned out really good. Obviously, not going anywhere, but it's okay. It was fun to do. I hope you guys really loved the look. I think it turned out really great. Let's do one more look. I don't know if you guys can see that highlight, but it's so pretty. I think it looks looks really good. I think it turned out really great. Okay, well, anyways, that's all I have, guys, today for this makeup I cannot even say that word today. This makeup tutorial, we're just gonna call that makeup tutorial. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And go check out the blog down below in the description below, and of course check out the eye for the main channel, and of course check out the latest video. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And anyways, that's all. XOXO, bye.